DawNote was built around three fundamentals of music production. First, perspective. Step outside your studio, and your mix sounds different. Second, memory. Ideas don't last. DawNote captures them before they're gone. Third, time. When you care about your music, there's never enough of it. So instead of leaving your DAW project behind mid-session, DawNote lets you stay connected to it and keep it moving wherever you are. Let's see how DawNote fits into your workflow. Make sure you're on a stable local Wi-Fi network on both your computer and your phone. On your computer, DawNote will display a 6-digit code. Enter that code on your phone to pair your devices. Drop your mix into DawNote Studio. Then, on your phone, tap Sync Project. Your tracks are instantly there over Wi-Fi. Now you're outside. Tap the Play plus Rec button at the bottom center to launch your playlist. Listening to your mix, a melody comes to mind, or the hi-hat feels too low. One tap to record your voice at the exact time code. Another to stop. Back at the studio. Tap Send to DAW on your phone. Every note appears right there in the plugin, automatically routed to the right project. Use the text filter to focus on this session. Preview notes instantly. Or drag all your notes as WAV files straight into your DAW, just like a microphone recording. Every note perfectly synced. Right in your timeline. The free version of DawNote lets you load up to 2 projects, each with 3 tracks of up to 11 minutes, just over 1 hour in total. With the Pro version, you get up to 10 projects, each with 25 tracks, with no time limit per track. Now, let's explore what you can do with projects in more detail. To open the Projects window, simply swipe or tap on Project. Tap the plus button to create a new project. Each project can be sent from your computer using the Sync function or imported from supported social and messaging apps. You can also open DNP files directly from your phone. They will automatically open in DawNote. Inside a project, the numbers you see represent, from left to right, the number of tracks, the total notes sent, and the notes that are still pending. Projects save your playlist, along with the playback position. Long press on a project to open the menu. References are sets of tracks you can use to compare with your mixes. You can load up to 2 groups of references, A and B, with up to 25 tracks each. To create a reference, open the project menu and create a reference from that project. To use a reference, simply tap A or B during playback to compare, with optional offset on the playing reference. References are aligned with the track order of your current project. This also can be useful to compare your current project version directly with an older one, playing in sync. Studio Stream is simple. Once connected to DawNote Studio, your phone lets you listen to your mixes or your collaborators directly in your studio, with no quality loss over Wi-Fi streaming. Tap Studio Stream. You'll then see a volume control appear in DawNote Studio on your computer, which you can adjust directly from your phone. You can take notes as usual while listening to your mixes on your studio setup. Now, let's look at some advanced options in DawNote. During a recording session, you can use Bluetooth headphones. Tapping the lock icon enables a pocket mode, letting you control recording with your headset buttons. The behavior is slightly different on iOS and Android. On iOS, press pause to start recording, and volume down to stop. This won't change the volume. It only stops the recording. On Android, press pause to start recording, then press pause again to stop. On both systems, if the recording level is too low or missing, you'll hear 3 beeps to warn you. Audio and MIDI settings let you choose your phone's input and output devices. On iOS, options are more limited due to how external devices are handled, while Android may offer more flexibility. You can also adjust the input level for your recordings. If your device supports MIDI, you can use a basic MIDI controller to start and stop recording. When replaying notes, you can use pre-roll to hear the context, long press a note, and release to play a few seconds before it. You can adjust the pre-roll time in the advanced menu. In the Send section, you'll find several useful options. In the Pro version, you can queue notes to send later when you reconnect to your studio. Keep Note for reference keeps sent notes grayed out, so you don't resend them and create duplicates. Exporting notes as WAV files in a zip makes it easy to send feedback back to another artist. A PDF is included in the zip, explaining that they just need to drop the WAV files into their project to hear your notes. Project sharing is unlimited in Pro and limited to 3 shares per month in the free version. To send a project with notes, enable Note and use Pass to set a password for the recipient. Your collaborator can add notes and send them back, but you remain the project owner. Sync between your phone and computer is usually straightforward. If the pin pad doesn't appear, tap Sync twice. This can help trigger it. You can also open the Sync menu and select Reset Connection to reconnect to your local Wi-Fi. You can also use manual connection in advanced settings. Simply enter the IP address shown on your computer into your phone to force the connection to the correct address. DawNote is free, with the plugin included. And if you want to go further, DawNote Pro unlocks a whole new set of features.